Hi, my name is Stephanie Klexbull. I'm the Elementary STEM Educational Specialist at the Center for Science in the Schools at Penn State University. We were very pleased to receive the Mini Eclipse grant funding. We actually are a center known for teacher readiness and preparing teachers in science content. And so we actually use the funds to help with supplies for three educator workshops that we did, two being in secondary science and one being elementary focus. And what we did was for the two secondary, we actually used the funds to purchase um, Voyagers. They are from Pocket Labs, they're live data sensors. And we actually got the idea by also showing and explaining about the NASA Eclipse balloon project. And we know that Penn State has a ballooning team. So we were really excited to share how to use live data during the eclipse and actually record data similar to what the NASA teams are doing. And as well with that, our elementary actually focused not on the live data of that, but actually being a citizen scientist, where we gave teachers not only solar glasses, but solar lenses for their phones to record and take photos of the eclipse. And then they uploaded to a Google folder to show students evidence of what an eclipse may look like in your area, to understand how weather can be relatable, can cause issues to your viewing. So it was really great because actually kids got to see different photos of a cloudy day versus a sunny day. And all three workshops went wonderful, and I can't wait to tell you more about it in my session. Thanks.